The Flat Belly Fix is a 21-day weight reduction system that objectives lower tummy fat while additionally helping you get kicking butt and taking names. It takes around 3 weeks to frame a propensity, yet once in a while do online projects give you enough data to keep going you that long. In this way, by the 3rd week, you're left thinking about what to do in light of the fact that you have not yet shaped a propensity, and before you know it, you're back to where you began. The Flat Belly Fix ensures that doesn't occur by giving you a point-by-point system that will take you until your newly discovered well-being and wellness are engraved into your way of life. What is the Flat Belly Fix system about? The Flat Belly Fix is an online weight loss program that's highly focused on military-style, muscle-building, fat-burning regimes. It incorporates both diet and exercise into the mix to provide men and women with a comprehensive guide that focuses specifically on the things that target lower belly fat and optimal health, the same regimes used by men and women in service, whether it's military service, police service, etc. Verdict about product. The Flat Belly Fix is a lower belly targeting weight loss regime that combines nutrition and fitness to help you achieve your goals. It's comprehensive and covers various aspects, while also adding in specific tips for men and women when it's needed, which is a great feature. In addition to all the amazing information and nutritional information you receive, you get an abundance of scrumptious smoothies and a 21-day system that'll help you put everything into action. And since you only need 21 days to form a habit, there's no better way to start your weight loss journey than with a program that guides you along the toughest parts of the transition. Plus, you have a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, why not give it a try? Buy your Flat Belly Fix now, link in description. Down finger.